Hi guys, my name is Sammy Robinson and welcome back to Bondi Sands YouTube channel. I actually do a little bit of YouTube myself. I'm on Instagram a bit and TikTok. While you're here, don't forget to subscribe and stick around for more tanning tips and behind the scenes. So for today, I'm going to show you how I apply the Bondi Sands Ultra Dark Lotion for that ultimate Aussie glow. So you may not have heard of the lotion, but they are great for those babes that have really dry skin. Ultra Dark Lotion is super hydrating and it's enriched with aloe vera, which results in a really rich, flawless tan. Because it's really hydrating, it just lasts so much longer and just results in the most gorgeous glowing skin. So I'm going to show you the whole process from application to the time I wash it off and show you the results. First things first, I shaved and exfoliated 48 hours before any tan application. Make sure that you have nothing on the skin, no deodorant, no other products whatsoever. Except I will apply the Bondi Sands Body Moisturizer to dry patches like your elbows or your knees. Fabulous. So now that my skin is all prepped, I'm gonna go get changed, put my hair up, and then we'll get tanning. So as I mentioned, I'm gonna be using the Bondi Sands Ultra Dark Lotion today. So I'm gonna start with my legs. I'm just gonna apply some to my mitt. So as you can see, once you rub it in, the application is super effortless and streak-free. So a tip with the lotion is definitely to wait a few minutes before you apply your second coat. But don't worry, you won't have to wait too long. It absorbs into the skin really quickly. Mine's already dry now, so I'm ready for my second coat. Alrighty, so the legs are done. Now I'm gonna do my tummy. Love how it smells as well. It makes me feel like I'm on holidays. Delicious coconut, so good. Now onto the arms. I like to do my forearms first and then sort of make my way up my arm. And then once I get to my hands, I always just take the other side of the mitt that I haven't been using and then just sort of bring whatever else is down from my arms onto my hands so it's not too dark. And for a lotion, it feels super lightweight and really comfortable. So as you can see, I have finished applying all of the tan all over my body. It only takes 6 to 8 hours to develop, but I'm actually going to sleep in it overnight, so I'll come back tomorrow and show you the results. Good morning. So here is my developed color. I am so happy with how it turned out. I feel bronzed and beautiful. So as you guys know, I slept in this last night, washed it off this morning, and then this is how it looks. The great thing about this formula is that it is actually a dual action formula, which means that it will continue to develop after you've washed it off. Just from my experience using this last night, I woke up this morning feeling so much more hydrated than I usually do, so that's definitely a plus for me. Because this formula is super hydrating as well, it means it's gonna last really evenly on the skin and you're gonna find it wears really well over the next 7 days. To ensure that you have the best tan possible, make sure you moisturize daily with an oil-free moisturizer. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure you like this video if you enjoyed it, and happy tanning, lovers.